Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got nothing on the desk. And that's because I'm going to go to show you some punches. So we've got new punches in the annual catalogue and in the mini catalogue, the July to December mini catalogue. So I wanted to show you both of them. So, and that was partly because when I ordered for the annual catalogue, not everything was in stock. And I'm just going to mute my phone because that's really noisy, isn't it? You know, nobody needs to hear my doorbell jangling. Yeah, so not everything was in stock. It was stuck on a container ship, but it's all here now. So first up, I've got a fish builder. This one is so cute. Do you know what? I could see just patterned paper. So fish punched out with patterned paper. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Let me just zoom in a little closer. Oh, wrong zoom thingy. I don't know what that's just done. I hope it's focused. But yeah, these punched out of pattern paper would be really good, or glimmer paper, something like that. That would be awesome. The vintage bottle. I don't know where mine is. I'm pretty sure I ordered it. I don't know where it is, so I'm going to have to skip over that one. The one I did want to show you was the best label, and that's a Diddy one. So we have had in the past 3 sizes of punch. So that's a full size, there's a medium, and that's the little Diddy one, and it's Diddy size. It's not super tiny, because that's super tiny, but it's small, and it pairs particularly well with the Best Labels stamp set. Just put that back, because you punch out the letters, and well, so the stamp set, you stamp them out and then you punch them out. But I wanted to show that it was quite small, but brilliant. I've used it already. Okay, scooch those out of the way. What have we got next? Oh, lasting label. How gorgeous is that? That's a bit fancy schmancy. Let me just try and focus it so it's not on me. That's a bit of a fancy shape, isn't it? Rather like that. And yeah, big punch size. Gorgeous. Next one is the cherry builder. I suspect you're probably not going to be able to make much more than cherries, but somebody will come up with something, I absolutely know it, that aren't cherries. Peaches, maybe? I don't know. Squished hearts? Don't know. Somebody's going to come up with something clever. Probably won't, well, it won't be me. But yeah, awesome. The Songbird builder. I love this. I did a card a few weeks ago, and I punched my bird out with glimmer paper. Just love it. Oh, it's so good. And again, probably somebody who's into punch art is going to come up with some fabulous, clever and quirky things to do with the different shapes. I'm just using it as it is because, you know, I'm not that clever. Right, and then finally, from the annual catalogue, we have this one, the decorative circle. So, there you go. If I tip it against my white top, you can see it really well. It's a decorative circle. It's pretty big. Let me measure it up. Oh, I would if I could find a ruler. There it is. So it is 6 centimetres across, which is I'm going to say it's 2 3/8 of an inch. So that's a pretty big size. And yeah, it's a decorative circle. But it doesn't pair with anything. So it's in the catalogue just simply on its own on the punch page, which is 153. So don't miss that if you do see it. Right, and then into the mini catalogue, we've got, what's it called? Handmade Tag. That one. That's very nice. It goes with the stamp set. Can't remember the name of the stamp set, but it does. So that's a bit special. So, you know, you can have it as a square or you can have it as a diamond, however you fancy. But that's a big one too. And then this isn't new, but it's coming. It's been on hiatus for the last year. This is the Penguin Builder. So this was in last year's winter end of the year catalogue and then took a little break. It didn't retire, it just sort of went out of the catalogue for 6 months, I guess. And it's back again. So it's kind of like a returning favourite as opposed to a new one. Look at the little Scotty dogs. They're so cute. That is just adorable. I don't know what it is about Scotty dogs and Christmas, but I guess it's the whole tartan thing. You know, Scotty dogs, Scottish, tartan, I don't know, but it's just adorable and the stamp set's divine as well. Okay, and then the last one I have is the Very Best Trio. And so we don't have a corner punch anymore. It's gone. So Look, oh look, there you go, you can see where I've punched out before. So let me just do these and see what it looks like. So that just takes a full corner off. Oh, that's not a straight bit of card. The app gives you a fancy schmancy corner, and then this one you actually do it sideways, and it's like a little ribbon hole. So yeah, we had the detailed trio corner punch, that's retired, and we've got this one now. I don't know how much I'm going to use it, because I did like a corner rounder, but I'm actually not too bad with a pair of scissors as well. So yeah, and there is another one, it's called the Witch Hat Builder. I don't have that punch, but I do have all of these, and apparently a courier are about to come to the door. So lots of new punches, and the bottle one, which I don't have. I'll tell you, I'm going to have to, but what an excuse to place another order. So these are from the annual catalogue and the new mini catalogue. Just marvellous. I love a punch. It's quite nice that I don't have room on my punch shelf, because it tells me that we've had lots of new ones. I like that. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Hope this is useful. If you have seen any cool funky punch art with things like the cherry or the songbird, let me know. I'd love to see it. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.